So hey everybody, it's TR back with another episode of the Truck Camper Renovation Series. Today, I'm going to start framing the front bubble here. You'll remember this truck camper has these bubble windows in it. I'm bound and determined they're not going to leak, and I'll show you in a future episode how I'm going to seal them up and make sure they don't. With that said, we got to get things framed in here, and the first thing I got to do is test fit this piece I cut last week. I'm going to be wishing I had another clamp. Anyway, let's pull this back for now. Stay. This notch here fits over this like this, and yeah, that one's too long too. So somehow, somewhere, I screwed up on a dimension. How's my height on this one? Let me get this clamped in here best I can, with it being too long up there. Uh-oh. Okay, so, interesting. I really screwed things up here. This should be like this, but how far out of whack are we here? Amateur. Alrighty, so let's see if I can stand this up here where it should be. It's got to be right in here somewhere. Be somewhere like this, coming right out here, like approximately right there. Turn that around so that's not poking me in the face. Okay, something, I don't know how I managed that. Let's see, that comes out 40. I can see from here it's different. So how did I get this side so short? I sure screwed it up. Alright, so I goofed up, and you can see here I messed up a dimension measurement somewhere. That is 7.5 inches short, give or take. I got to push this out a little bit to get it flush, but I'm going to have to. I'm not sure how to fix that. I think what I'm going to do is because there's going to be there's going to be a moment of inflection here with this seam. It's going to be a weak spot, wanting to turn away because I don't have any way to connect it other than just this little piece right here. And so when this gets loaded up with weight, it's going to want to sag. And so I think I'm going to have to take this back to... I think I'm going to have to recut this one. So I think I'm going to have to take this board out, and I'm going to have to take this board. Let me get you up here so you can see. I'm going to have to take this board I'm going to take this board all the way back to there. I'm going to remove this board and replace it. And then that 2x2 below it, I'm going to split it somewhere in here and replace it. I have no idea what I did, but I sure did it good. The other side's fine. Alright, so this guy fits in here. This guy fits in here like this. Seems a little low. No, it's just fine. Okay, we gotta work on getting that perpendicular. Right, I'm just going to put this strap on here so I can pull this back up perpendicular. I don't think I'll need a ratcheting strap. I think I can just do it with this one. And that's pretty good. So I pull that down. So I need to get some glue in there, and then I need to pull this down. All right, so that's good. Pretty good. I think it's going to look best with one piece of sheeting here. And so what I'm doing is I'm just going to get a measurement here from the highest point on the taper, and then we'll add a ½ an inch or something like that. We need, that looks to be, get my glasses off so I can read. Let's 38.5. So if we go 39 by, come on, turn over. Come on, cheap ass tape measure. 39 by 65. Right? Double check here. Oh, come on. 39.65. Okay, let's go 39 by 65.5, and I'm going to cut 2 of those. Continuing to frame in the cab over here, we're making good progress. What I have here is just a sheet of 5mm plywood that I primed and painted with the satin enamel. And what I'm doing is I'll be fitting this in here into this space right up here. And it's a little oversized, and then I'll come back and I'll just trim it off to match up to the openings. Okay, we're gonna get this dry fit. I probably need to adjust my camera over there. So we'll just dry fit this guy in here for now. Make sure everything's looking good. Yeah, that's not bad. I gotta sneak this in behind that. Okay, so this fits pretty good. There's gonna be there'll be a piece of trim. Oh, that looks really good. I'm really happy with that. And pop this down, and let me get some construction adhesive on here. All right, that's pretty good. Now, I'm gonna take these boards here. I'm just gonna use them to kind of brace across from both sides so I can just laminate this sheet to that wall. And I want it like right here. I want one more cross brace. Let's clamp that one. So we need that brace about right there. Okie doke, that's a pretty good start on this. I'm going to just laminate this plywood to the frame. In a lot of spots you saw me staple it in some. This will get this side done. Now it's time to start working on the framing for the front here, and that's our next task. So if you'd like to support my channel in another way, I'd really appreciate it if you'd visit Amazon through the link in the description in this video. Doesn't matter what you buy, I'll get a small commission on it. You'll pay the same price, and we'll both be ahead in the long run, and I thank you for that in advance. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up. Always appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Ring the notification bell. We're about a third of the way, well, that might be a little optimistic, through. Lots still to come, so be sure and subscribe. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of the future episodes. But that'll have to do it. Thanks for watching. I sure do appreciate it. Until we get together for another truck camper renovation video, peace.